Hey, welcome back to another episode of Maintenance with Mike. So this week on Maintenance with Mike, we are cleaning up the poplars and stuff that we fell that were behind the sea can here. I want to talk about bear safety. We had a pretty tragic, serious incident with a grizzly bear in the southeastern Kootenays here recently. The individuals survived the attack. Fortunately for them, they had bear spray, and they used that right away to fend off the two juvenile males, grizzlies. So up here, we're making lots of noise. We have bear spray on the mirror of the side-by-side and a horn as well. You just got to be conscious of your surroundings and try to mitigate your risk is all you can do. But I'm thankful to hear that the individuals are recovering, and yeah, anyway, so today we're going to show you, we're getting rid of all of this poplar that was just laying on the ground in here that we cut up. But I want to spin you around here and show you what's going on with the sea can. So you'll see now we have this new sea can here is leveled. We've got power running across to it now. The other sea can is sitting here. We had to do some flooring repair in this sea can. The sea cans, in my opinion, they're not as good as they used to be back in 2019, 2020. They're getting beat up pretty bad now, like the 2005, 2006 sea cans. This one is in much better shape, and it's actually older than this one. So it is what it is. You pay the same amount of money that you paid back in 2019, but you get less of a better product. But sometimes that's the way things work, right? So the game plan here still is, I'm gonna take you down, I'm gonna show you the drainage that we put around this new sea can. There's gonna be a pipe coming out across the front of this one here, and it'll basically just shoot any water out and down the property here. So let's go have a look at that drainage pipe. Okay, so we're gonna jump in the machine here and head up the property, see if we can get out of here. No problem for the little tank. So you can see, if we come around the front of the new sea can, you'll see this little pipe right here, and then there's this high bank. So basically this space between here and here is going to get filled with drain rock. So any water that comes down off the mountain here is going to come down the gravel and hit this pipe. This pipe is going to come out a little bit further and turn. And this is actually a sloped grade here. And it's basically just going to stop here, and we'll put an end cap on it with some holes in it. And it's just going to kick the water out and around this corner where it'll then take off down the hill, right? So that's kind of where we're at right now. That's what we've done. We're just over here. You saw me cleaning up all those poplars that are now in the back of the Coyote. So that's what we've been up to. We've had lots of company already this summer, so I apologize for the lack of videos, but family and friends have been visiting. So we want to spend quality time with them, which is great. So we appreciate you hanging out with us for a bit today. If you like these videos, maybe consider subscribing to the channel. You'll see any updates on the sea can build and renovations here. We're going to put some more gravel in here to level this all off, and that'll be a nice laydown area. I'll probably just get a big tarp and probably cover all those implements for the winter time. That'll keep them nice and dry.